In this video, I will show you how you can share your Spotify Wrap into your Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Spotify and head over to the Wrap section of Spotify. Now in here, go ahead and click on the Your Wrap button to view your Spotify Wrap, and this will play like a story on your Spotify application. So basically in this section, you'll be able to find your music evolution, the artists that you've liked the most on Spotify, the list of the songs that you've listened most on Spotify. So go ahead and head over into the last tab for this Spotify Wrap. You'll be able to find your top artists and top songs. In this tab, you'll be able to find your top artists. You can also share this to your Instagram story by clicking on the share this story button at the bottom of your page, and you'll get redirected into this section. Now look for stories in this section and click on that stories under the Instagram icon, and that will redirect you into Instagram. You can further customize how your Instagram story will look like from your end, so you can incorporate other elements in this section before you post it as your Instagram story. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.